This still looks exactly the same, Jacob. I don't know. 2 take away 1. It looks even easier, right? 2 blocks, and now they're going to take away one of them. Is going to just leave me 1 left. 5 take away 4 is 1. 9 take away 1, 8. And maybe you're just bored with this level. It just keeps giving you the same level. You might be blocked to not be able to go to another thing. So I'm going to check that right now. Let's see while you're there with me, while I'm recording to you. I'm going to go to your settings. I'm going to say, oh wait, maybe it's under objectives, assignments. There it is. Nope, you're allowed to pick any one you want. I allowed your student choice, so you should be able to complete any game you want. Any of our class assignments that we've given, right? There's a bunch of them. So you started doing this one, but there's other ones you could do too that maybe you'll like these games better. Let's see, it looks like you started this one, but you only got a little bit far on it. So we could look at that one real quick. Let's see. Oh, I like these ones too. There's a bunch of different games here to play. You got into it a little bit doing the perpendicular and parallel lines. I know we did that in class, so maybe you remembered that one, and you already did this one where I had to find the lines. Sometimes it's tricky because the lines go off of the page. So I need to find 2 lines that intersect. So all it means when I say intersect, like an intersection in the street, is where they touch. They cross over each other, they intersect. Oop, that's where they intersect, right there. So again, 2 lines that intersect, right? If I took this green line, they're not going to intersect. They're parallel. They don't ever touch. Parallel lines never touch each other. Gigi didn't go anyway. So I can do this pink one, and then either of these colors, right, will work. Both of them intersect. They both would cross over that pink line. All right, I'm going to go back. Hopefully you got that one a little bit. So let's see. Ooh, I guess just made it big. How come I can't go out of this game, but I went out of the other one? All right, well, so, oh, this is a perfect one before I get off of here. Look, it looks like this one's going down, this one's going down, this one's going down. But if you see these 2 lines and this line, they're going to intersect eventually, right? This one and the green and the yellow are never going to touch each other, because they're going to go parallel right next to each other all the way down the page. But this one's a little crooked, so it will touch that yellow line eventually. If I kept drawing and drawing, eventually they would touch, right? And then it doesn't fall on the ground. Gigi doesn't fall, right? Either one. I could do this green line, this, whoops. The yellow line is never going to touch the green line. They are parallel. They're never going to intersect. Alright, so hopefully I can go back here and take you to another game. Alright, and it gets a little trickier later on in this level. I'm going to go intersecting lines, and then I'll stop it because this video is getting long. It's already 4 minutes. Alright, trace 2 lines that are parallel, right? A bunch of these lines are parallel. This line and this line, they run next to each other. They're never going to touch. They're going to keep on going forever and ever and never touch. They're equal distance apart. My next one are perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines intersect, but they intersect and make a perfect square, like the edge of a piece of paper. Like this edge, see how it's perfectly square? So these ones don't make a perfect square, but these 2 make a perfect corner right there, right there. It has 4 little corners there, so I call that perpendicular lines. They intersect, but they also intersect and make a perfect T. Perpendicular lines never touch. So I could do this one, oops, and this one. It's way over there, but I think they're still parallel. I think they're never going to touch. Oh, and I read my thing wrong. It said find two lines that are perpendicular. Oops. I need to find two lines that cross and make a T. So let's do this one. How about this one? And this one. I think that's going to make a perfect corner right there. Yep. They cross perfectly nice and square. All right, and I'm going to stop this video.